A pleasant day, ma'am, sir. I'm Lovelyn, 46 years old, married with three kids, aged 26, 14, and 4. I'm the firstborn of the family, and I have one brother and one sister, and I am a college undergraduate. I work in Macau for 1 year and 6 months as a helper because contract in Macau is 1 year renewable. The first family, my first employer was a family of three, mom, sir, and a 3-year-old boy. And my top duties were taking good care of the boy, sending and picking up to school, accompany him with his activities like going to the park, going to the library, helping him with the homeworks, and mingling with him, bonding, me and him. And we usually sing together like this. On my belly, there's a belly button. On my belly, there's a belly button. Oh, I don't know how it got there, but I'm glad I've got one. On my belly, there's a belly button. And also like this. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. And also the household chores like cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, cooking and marketing, and also car washing. In cooking, I usually cook Chinese dishes like the choy sum, two-way cooking of choy sum, the stir fry choy sum, and the boiled choy sum, and also the hibi with the cucumber and Chinese noodles, and also the tofu and the bean sprout, and many more. And my second employer was a family of four: mom, sir, and 13 years old teenager boy, and an 18 years old young lady. And my top duties were accompanying them with their sports like golf, the children, and the household chores, cleaning all over the house, the bedrooms, bathrooms, the living room and the kitchen, and also washing and ironing clothes, cooking and marketing, and also car washing. Mom, sir, if you ever choose me, I promise to do the best of my ability to do my duties and responsibilities as your helper. And also, I'm willing to learn more. If you want me to do something new, you want me to do something more, you can tell me and I will do it right away. And also, I'm willing to renew my contract if ever you want me to stay. That's all, and I thank you.